Hi, I'm Lexi. Let's learn 10 adorable baby idioms in less than 2 minutes. Number 1, take baby steps. It means to make small, gradual progress instead of rushing. Example, learning idioms takes baby steps, but you'll master them soon. Number 2, sleep like a baby. It means sleep very deeply and peacefully without waking. Example, after the long flight home, he slept like a baby the whole first night back. Number 3, throw the baby out with the bathwater. It means discard something valuable while trying to remove the bad parts. Example, editing your video? Don't throw the baby out with the bathwater by deleting good clips. Number 4, babe in the woods. It means a naive or inexperienced person in a tricky situation. Example, she was a babe in the woods starting her first YouTube channel. Number 5, baby boom. It means a sudden increase in birth rates over a period. Example, the 1940s baby boom created a huge generation of kids. Number 6, baby blues. It means mild sadness or depression after giving birth. Example, many new moms feel the baby blues for a few weeks postpartum. Number 7, babe in arms. It means a very young infant or total beginner. Example, he carried his babe in arms to the park every day. Number 8, baby steps. It means tiny, incremental advances toward a goal. Example, don't try to learn all 10 idioms today, just baby steps with 1 per day. Number 9, baby talk. It means childish, simplified speech or overly cute language. Example, avoid baby talk in professional emails. Use clear English. Number 10, that's my baby. It means something you're proud of and take personal responsibility for. Example, this homemade cake I baked from scratch? That's my baby. It took 3 tries to get perfect. Wow, friends! We've mastered 10 baby idioms today. From baby steps to that's my baby. You're sounding like a native already. Subscribe to Lexicon Lane for more fun lessons. See you next time. Bye!